Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is my June Floerns haul. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Krystal with the K, and this is a lifestyle channel. I share all kinds of content. I don't have a specific niche other than lifestyle. So today's video is a clothing review. I have been working with Floerns for probably 4 years at this point. Floerns is an online boutique, and they share all kinds of different styles of clothing. You've got some that's very like girly, whimsical, and then you've got some over here that are like Miami party girl, kind of raunchy. But it's always a good mixture, and we're well on our way to summer, so a lot more pieces have been swimsuits. I think we have a few in this one. I can't remember, it's been a while. We've just relocated, hence the new little setup. I'm not sure if this is how it's gonna stay or not, but anyways, enough rambling, let's get into it. Okay, so I have 6 items of clothing, and I'm pretty sure some of these are swimsuits and some of them are dresses, but let's just go ahead and get into it. First one up. Yes, this is a swimsuit. So this is a cute little Tankini swimsuit. It has the almost like a Hawaiian style floral print, and then around the trim we have a gingham print. This swimsuit is a little more modest. We have shorts for the bottom instead of your traditional bikini. I like how this is a flap, a fold over, is that what that's called? The fold over, whatever. Anyways, with the gingham and the same little floral print. It has quite a bit of stretch. This is a size medium, and I am pretty sure this is going to fit perfectly. Next piece up, I think if I'm not mistaken, this is a dress. Yes. Oh, so cute. Okay, so this is more like a midi length. The sheer piece is a midi length, but then the underlining is more of a mini bodycon style. I really like this butter yellow with all of these little tropical, I think, are these lilies? Is that what these flowers are? I'm pretty sure those are lilies. We have adjustable straps, and the neckline looks like it's a square. This is a size medium. I'm so excited to try this on and be able to wear it. I love wearing dresses whenever it's like really hot out, and this is gonna be so cute. Okay, this looks like one of those little wormy dresses that is definitely fitted, that has ruching all down the side. It looks like it's gonna be off the shoulders with a little extra ruching and fabric that drapes across the front and the back shoulders. The sleeves are a white sheer with pearl embellishments all the way down. This is gonna be so nice to wear to like a nice like fancy restaurant. We are in South Alabama, so I don't know how many fancy restaurants there are around here. We've only been here for like 3 weeks at this point, but I'm really excited to be able to find a place to wear this to. Oh, this is really cute. Okay, so this is another dress. So cute. Actually, I can honestly see my daughter wearing this. So it is a blue and white floral print dress. We have elastic around the top, so it looks like you could probably wear it off the shoulder or up like this with a puff sleeve. Now the back side does have this extra elastic piece that goes across the back, so it looks like you can probably have a lot of wiggle room for this, so it's not going to be super restrictive. This is also double lined, so you don't have to worry about wearing a slip. This is gonna be so perfect to wear with like a little pair of white flats for summer. So cute. This is more of a like sexy date night dress. It looks like it's gonna be a mini. If you can see this little seam right here, it's almost like it's supposed to look like a top with a skirt bottom. I know it's not looking like much right here. I will do a try on portion at the end of the video, so please stay tuned. This is also considered a halter top, and we have this gold hardware that would sit right here. This is gonna be so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to wear this summer for date night. And the last piece I thought for a second I saw this lily and I was like, did they send me 2 dresses with the same design? But it's not. Okay, so this is another swimsuit, but this one is your traditional triangle bikini where it ties around the neck and around the back. It's almost like a mint green in a way, again with the lily. It does come with the little pads, but you can remove them, which I probably will. I always do. Now, here are the bottoms. This is a thong bikini, and we have adjustable straps on the sides. That's usually not a normal thing for a swimsuit, but this is really good. It'll help you be able to adjust it a little bigger or smaller if you need it. And this is a 3-piece swimsuit because it does come with a little halter top style dress cover up, which matches perfectly. It's the same color with this lily print on the front of it. So cute. Again, it does have a halter where it ties. Oh, that's gonna be so cute to wear at the pool or the beach. I can't really see wearing this to the beach just because it's so pretty. I would definitely wear this to like a pool though. So fun. Cannot wait to wear this. And that's all I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about any of these pieces that I shared today, be sure to leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts, concerns, or any questions that you may have. And stay tuned. In just a minute, we're going to do the try-on haul. But if you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving me a thumbs up before you leave. Also, I will have everything linked below in the description box if anything piqued your interest. And like I said, if you had any questions, please feel free to just let me know. I do post regular photo outfits whenever I wear the pieces on my social media. All of my pages are linked below, also in the description box. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of those different platforms. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna stop rambling and let's go try these clothes on. Also, I wanted to let y'all know I went to put this on for the first time and it actually has built-in shorts. So the skirt portion is not gonna ride up because there's that little bit of fabric there to keep it from riding up, which made me so happy. So I just wanted to throw that in there. There are built-in shorts.